Let's make an easy white chocolate peppermint fudge that we make out of the microwave, or in the microwave. In here we've got 3 cups of white chocolate morsels. To that we're going to add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And then we're going to stick this in the microwave, and we're going to cook it for 15 seconds at a time until we get a nice smooth consistency, stirring in between each 15 seconds. Alright. That only takes a couple minutes, doesn't take very long. Now to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of mint extract or peppermint. And we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to measure that off to the side. I really don't want salty fudge. I don't mind the messy counter, but I'm good at that. Give that a nice mix. And this is going to set up really fast because... Alright.
Better grab a spatula.
We better. And on this we have a buttered 9x9. You can use it buttered. You can use it 8x8. I'll let this mom. I'll leave just a little bit on there for mom so she can try that out.
I'm taste tester. You know what I like about this? It's not a real strong peppermint. It's just a nice, smooth little peppermint flavor in there. That's good. Reminds me of those mints.
Oh, the butter mints?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, those are really good.
Yeah. The butter mints.
Alright, we'll even that out, spread it out. Now to make it just a little more festive, I have some candy cane that's already been crunched up. If you can go to the store and get them little mints just like this, or candy canes, and you can crunch them up yourself. We were just lucky enough to find these at one of the stores. Those, spread those across the top. The fudge is actually going to set up pretty quickly here. And it's like we said, we tasted it earlier. It was really great. Oh, sorry. I'm pulling a mom. Yeah, that was good. Great. Let's see. We're just going to cut this into, let's do 4. Fudge is nice and soft. We're probably cutting it a little bit too early, but we could not wait to show you and also to eat it. Alright, we're going to grab a fork here and pull one of these out. I'm just going to pull a little end corner out. Oh. Anyway. Like I said, we pulled it out probably just a little bit too early, but it's a delicious fudge. Give it a try. Can't wait to eat this.
You gonna eat that?
Yeah.
All of it?
Well, yeah, the rest has got to go back in the refrigerator for a few minutes.
Okay.